Creating a highly integrated market for financial services has long been an aspiration in Europe, and it would have clear benefits. For instance, a well-integrated cross-border banking and capital market would strengthen the resilience of the European financial system, helping to support growth. Achieving such integration requires greater intra-EU private risk sharing, allowing countries and banks to more easily withstand financial and economic shocks and better support growth. A resilient and integrated European banking system, where capital and liquidity are not restricted by national boundaries, would help banks to operate more efficiently and effectively by building economies of scale and diversifying their exposures through lending across borders. It would also help banks provide their capital market services across Europe, assisting governments and businesses to access funding, connecting investors with savers, and ensuring liquidity in financial markets. More integrated EU capital markets could help to broaden the pools of risk capital available to Europe's businesses, assisting them to grow, innovate, and create jobs. Such markets would also help investors to diversify their investments, using cross-country assets, and make banks more resilient too. Efficient financial markets are good news for everyone, as they mean lower costs for governments, businesses, and investors, including individual savers. However, Europe's banking and capital markets remain fragmented, and private risk sharing through these channels remains relatively low compared to other economies. There is therefore considerable scope for these channels to play a larger role in supporting the smooth functioning of the European economy. Completing banking and capital markets unions would help to build a stronger, genuinely integrated European financing market. It would help to reduce the potential need for public risk sharing through government or EU-level interventions, for instance in the form of transfers of public funds. Such a market would offer more financing options to borrowers and wider alternatives to savers. It's therefore essential that these two initiatives are thought about and promoted together so that we have a genuine financing union. A truly integrated financial market for the benefit of Europe in the long term.